Hey all, Veronica here, and today I'm sharing with you my favorite way to make vegan Parmesan cheese using my KitchenAid handheld immersion blender. I'm using the food processor attachment that came with the set, and I love this thing so much because I have a bigger food processor, which is really great, but sometimes I just want to mix up a little batch of something like this vegan Parmesan cheese. And this little tiny food processor attachment makes this super quick and easy and really easy to clean up as well afterwards. To make the vegan Parmesan cheese, I just combine about half of a cup of raw cashews, 1 teaspoon of yellow miso paste, and about 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, as well as about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, something to just kind of give it a little bit of acid and balance out the fat in the cashews and the savory flavor of the miso and the nutritional yeast. Then I just place on the top of the little mini food processor attachment for my KitchenAid immersion hand blender, and I pulse it by pushing the button, and that's it. It chops up everything really nicely. You can chop it up to whatever size Parmesan cheese granules that you prefer. I liked this to be a little bit finer, so I went ahead and processed it a second time. And as you can see, it really just took me about a minute to whip this all together. And I was making vegan lasagna this night. You can actually check out the full vegan lasagna recipe in my videos. This toasted up really nicely on top of that. It's a great substitute for cheese in any type of recipe. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and check out my other small kitchen appliance reviews for more tips and tricks.